Hey guys, just wanted to make you a pumpkin spice. These are pumpkin pie spice, which is an awesome seasoning. They call it pumpkin pie spice because a lot of people use it for pumpkin pie. But the cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and it tastes like a fancy coffee. So I just do a little couple of sprinkles of this, maybe a half teaspoon, if that. Okay, you don't need much. You just want that hint of seasoning. And I use a monk fruit mixed with stevia. Okay, so it's a no calorie sugar. I am a little out of the way with this. This is my powder creamer, my office creamer, I call it, and give that a little mix. Look how simple this is. And they sell this in the store for, at this store for about $4. And I just made it with for under $1. So again, saving your money. And boy, what a beautiful aroma, flavor. Mm. You know. So again, using the Keurig, using your pods, you can make a beautiful coffee. Order some pumpkin spice. Okay? And you'll have a nice, beautiful coffee to offer your friends. All right, guys. Hope this helped you. All right, thank you.